Eid is the legacy of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, a sacrifice made in complete submission to Allah. This Dhul Hijjah, continue that same devotion through your Qurbani with ICNA Relief. $350 per share covers the cost of one goat, sheep, or 1/7 of a cow. Your sacrifice is fulfilled according to strict Islamic guidelines. ICNA Relief distributes fresh, high-quality meat to deserving families across all 5 U.S. regions, right here in our own communities. From sourcing to slaughter to delivery, the entire process is handled with care, transparency, and trust. But the slots are limited. Your early booking is required to ensure your Qurbani is performed on time for Eid. This Dhul Hijjah, fulfill your Qurbani with ICNA Relief and honor a legacy of faith, sacrifice, and mercy with responsibility and accountability.